what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. You're ready to learn something new and cool. Today's look is going to be this really grungy navy blue slash kind of cobalty smoky eye with a shiny nude lip. So this I feel like is really pretty for Memorial Day, which is when this video is going to be going live. So I kind of was pulling from 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day kind of vibes for this because that is what this weekend is all about. So definitely pulled blue. I'm going to be wearing some really cute Keds with this little dress that I have on right now. So definitely that was the inspiration for this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something new and cool today. And definitely if you want to see how to get this whole situation, please keep watching. Alright, so you're zoomed in. I've got part of this eye done. We're going to come back to it, and now let's get started on this eye. So many things here, but first we're going to start with this Heroes Single Shadow in the color Indigo. And this is just going to kind of be our base, and I'm going to use this to transition my blue out. And I'm going to be using my Sigma E40 blending brush. And by that, I mean we're actually going to put primer on our eye, because I am a fool. Just cover that right up. I don't often make a big deal about primer, but because we're using such pigmented shadows and a lot of it, I just want to make sure that the look actually stays. So then I'm just going to take my Laura Geller Baked and Glow Illuminating Foundation over top. And now we're going to go back in with that blue color. I just make sure that I'm flicking out at the end, like over here, so that we can create that wing shape already, just in the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and just kind of cover this lid portion of my eye. And I'm not doing it very opaquely because now I'm going to go in with the Sigma E55 brush and just kind of like blend this into the blue so that it's not a harsh black line, but it's still a sticky black base. And now using that same E55 brush, I'm just going to tap over it with our same indigo color here and just kind of cover that black all the way up. Okay, so now that I have this matte base down, now it's time to kind of put that cobalt shimmer over top. So now for that I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill palette with her, and I don't have these colors anymore. I wish they were on the box, but they're not. With this blue shade right there. And I'm taking just this little NYX number 13 brush. I don't even know what it is, but I love it. I'm just going to pat over top of everywhere that this matte blue is. I'm going to grab my E40 brush again with that same blue shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette and just smoke this out just a little bit more, but with that cobalt color. Okay, so now let's go ahead and jump back and finish our face. So I'm gonna hop off and kind of finish my face up a little bit and get back so that we can do lashes, under eye, lips, and all that jazz. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my brows are done, and now we're gonna kind of get my under eye and lashes on here. So let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in with this Heroes Indigo Shadow again. And I'm going to go in with that little NYX brush we used. I'm so impressed with it. I don't know. And I'm going to take a little bit of that Jaclyn Hill color again and just run it over top. So nice. I'm loving how blue this is. Pretty much done with that part. I want to do a little bit of I was going to do an eyeliner, but I'm not because I just like how blue this is. So what I am going to do though is do my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight. So I'm going to be taking my Sigma E30 brush. It's like the video of Sigma brushes. Okay, and I'm taking my Anastasia Subculture palette. And I know, can I still do that? Can I say that? The beauty guru God's gonna come for me. In the shade Cube, because it's this like white color, but it has a pink reflection, and it's just such a neat color that I just think it's gonna add some really cool dimension to this eye look. It's not shiny enough. I feel like I need to put something underneath it first. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my highlight shade I just used, my Mary Luminizer on my face. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of Cube just over top of that. I just wanted to reflect that pink. The brow bone did it a little. It's just going to have to work, I guess. Not exactly what I wanted. That looks so nice. Okay. Let's pop some lashes on, shall we? So the lashes I'm going to be using today are my Eyler Luxe Silk Marquee. These pretty lashes. And I'm going to pop off, put these on, and then I'm going to zoom you guys out. We'll do lipstick and finish this situation up. Okay guys, so I just finished my hair. It's just this messy beach waves for today because we're having a barbecue with my parents tonight and I'm super excited about it. We're kicking off Memorial Weekend the right way and that's why this blue eye is so appropriate. But to finish up, so I put on my lashes and my mascara. For my lower lash mascara, I am using my Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, which is one of my new faves. So I'm loving that recently. Okay, so for lips today, I am going to use a mixture of these two nude liquid lipsticks and then top it with my Glossier gloss. So I am going to put these two on. Ooh, that is so nude. Okay, so now I'm going to put a little bit of this on top. Yes. That's exactly the look I'm going for. Okay, so I need this to dry a little bit first. I think I can put the gloss on now. So this is the final look. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. I put out videos every Monday and Thursday, and as soon as my 100 days of makeup gets started here in July, so just a little bit longer, I am going to be bumping that up to 3 videos a week, so be sure you stay tuned for that. Definitely let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Have an awesome rest of your week, enjoy your Memorial Day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!